Hello everyone, I've got a new Moreart Diorama in the house. This is the package. Can we see a picture of the model? Yep, there it is, and the barcode and article number. Eliminated version of Warehouse A16. As you can see, it's not a super big diorama, but it is perfect for 1/64 diecast models. And yes, it even comes with an instruction manual. I'm a man, so I probably don't need it. We can see it comes with something electric. And here we have the parts from the diorama, very well packed. And by the way, the package is made out of cardboard, so it's environmental friendly. Yes, and this is a lot of plastic, which is not environmental friendly. This looks like a base to me. This looks like some accessories. This looks like for the side. We have to peel the protection off. We're going to do that later. What's on the door column mill? Would be cool if there was some text like make diecast no war, or diecast storage, or something like that. Here we got the light, so this means this is the rooftop. And I think it's pretty easy. So we have the base right here, then we put this here. And then we have the other side, which goes here. So you have, and that fits perfect. Yep. Then we have this accessory right here. It is white. I'm going to put it. Yeah, it should be here. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. It should be like this. And this must be here. There we go. And if you wrote a comment you did that wrong, you can erase it now. Because now I did it good. Okay, this is with a sticker. I like that. Warehouse 16. Should be somewhere right here. Why not? Let's do that right away. Peel off the tape and then place it wherever you want. Hey, hello. There we go. I'm going to place it right here. That's nice, right? That's a good place. Yeah. And then we have the rooftop. We got the two in the back. And we got that one here on the left. Let's put some pressure on it. There we go. Now we have to only put some pressure right here. It goes very smooth. There's also something right here and here. So this is for here, and you have to peel this off, and then you get a transparent plate to keep the dust out. The same for this one. I'm not going to do that, and I'm going to tell you why. I'm going to use this for photos and not to display my car, so I'm not going to need it. Then we want to see how it looks with light. Oh, nice. Moreart logo here. There are two. And if I combine these together, I have infinity power. No, I don't think so. So I have to do it like this. So this goes in here. And then we have this right here. Hey, got a battery. Ah, it already lights up. Okay, let's take the camera off the tripod. That looks very nice. This is a very cool diorama. It's very simple, but it is perfect for photos with your diecast cars. So let's make some photos with some diecast cars. Let's start with these three. Looking good, right? Plenty of room for a giant Humvee and this Mitsubishi and a Porsche. We can also place them right here to the side. So there's room for 3 cars here on the side. This is already a pretty nice picture, I have to say. Yes, we can also place a figure right here looking at the cars. Why not? We can also just one car with the dude right here looking at the camera. See, this is different angles, also possible with the Warehouse 16 logo. Oh, look at this. What? Okay, we have also this one right here. Did a review about it recently. You can look it up on my YouTube channel. Beautiful model. And some people are working on it. This person right here. And this one right here. Yep. So very simple, very easy. The only thing you need, a good diorama. And like this one, it is very simple. You don't have to buy a very expensive diorama. No, this one will do just fine. Fine, just fine. So as you can see, you can also play with the light. So the light bar is over there. It's yeah, in the middle. So you can play with the light. If you place it a little bit more to the back, you get some more light here on the side of the car. But you can also do it like this, a little bit less light. See, get the Warehouse 16 logo on it. Absolutely fantastic. Yeah, loving this diorama. Definitely going to make some cool pictures for my Instagram community post on YouTube. And you will see them there. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe if you haven't already. Have a good day. Bye.